In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make a new Cash App account. Just a heads up, if you're interested in adding or setting up a new Cash App account on your current phone, you'll need to delete your existing account first. After completing that step, proceed to open the Cash App to begin the verification. Provide your phone number or email. Following this, click Next, and a verification code will be sent to your chosen platform, either your phone or email. Once received, click Next again and input your zip code. Once that's done, select a distinctive cash tag for your Cash App. Initially, try entering your desired cash tag. If it's available, you can't proceed by clicking Next. However, if it's not available, you'll need to modify to ensure its uniqueness compared to other cash tags. After finalizing your cash tag, click Next. In the subsequent section, you'll need to link a bank using your debit card. If you possess a debit card, simply input its number along with your bank account information to establish the link. However, if you solely intend to create a Cash App account without linking a bank account at its time, you can choose the skip option. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.